Hello everyone. So in this video, you'll learn about how to install Fish Shell on your Windows system. So when I was using Mac OS or MacBook earlier, I used to use this Fish Shell. I've used this on Linux operating system like Ubuntu and Fedora as well. And it's pretty easy to install there. In Mac OS, you can just run this command brew install fish and it will get installed. And on Linux systems, you can just first install Homebrew, and then you can again run this command brew install fish, and it will get installed. But for the case of Windows, it's quite difficult. So I'll tell you how to install it. So let's first see. First, you have to install Git Bash. So Git Bash generally provides you a way to uh, it just gives you a command shell which is quite similar to Linux and Mac OS. So first install it, just download the Windows version, then go to your whatever your terminal is, like VS Code or etc. And you can just select the default profile as Git Bash. Okay, so after doing that, whenever you'll open a new Git Bash one, um, you will not see the fish shell like here, which I have. You have to install it. So how do we install it? So you can just search for this thing called MySys 2, um, and first you'll need to install this MySys 2, which is a Microsoft package manager. First download this one. It's pretty easy to download. You can just click on this installer and just it can get installed. After that, you have to launch this MySys or MSys 2 Ming GW64. This one, you have to just open it. Once you open it, you have to run one command, which is from this. You can just search it, fish shell MSys2, and you can just get this command from here. It's this one, pacman -s fish. When you paste this command here, your fish shell will get installed, but now you have to do some minor variations. You just have to configure it so that it gets launched. So you just have to open your bash rc file. If you go to so you just have to actually open the bash rc file, which is basically in your home folder. So if we just open it like this, I'll just cat it. It will just show the content of this file. It's like this. So I've added these lines here. You can just click it. It will get open. You just have to add this line. X. This is actually where the fish shell got installed by this MSys package manager. So what will happen is that whenever you open git batch, it will just launch the fish shell. So you can just your fish shell will get launched. Apart from that, you have to create a config.fish file in your home directory and paste these lines. The reason is that fish shell is not actually having the right path to the home directory. For example, it will have something like this: home/username, which is incorrect. So you need to store the path as /c/users/username. So that's why we have to write these lines here, and we have to save it. So we're basically saving this config file here in this place. So this config file is not present here, so you'll have to create it. You have to create this folder structure, and you have to paste these lines. You just can change your username accordingly. After that, it's very simple. Your fish shell is installed. You can close all your files, and whenever you'll open your terminal, it will get launched, and you can just use fish shell. So the benefit of using fish shell is very simple. For example, I already ran this huge command, so I don't have to remember it. So whenever I'll write Docker, I can just click on the right arrow and it will just complete this whole line. So let's say I write ABCD and I just type ABCD, and next time it won't actually work. It just works for like the right commands. It won't work for the unknown commands. But let's say I want to go to some folder like downloads and code. So you can see it just auto completes. So that's the benefit of it. There are other alternatives as well, like Clink is there. I tried using that, but that's not that amazing. Then there is Microsoft IntelliSense, and this is also not amazing, and it's very slow as well. So the best one is Fish Shell. And if you see here also, they don't give you the right way to install it. So I had to bang my head around different ways and actually find out the right way to install it. So yeah,